Finally, the long-awaited Windows 11 latest update is now out for everybody. Yes, the Windows 24 H2 is now available. You can go to your Windows update in your setting and refresh to see whether you will get it. I refreshed over and over and over. I lost count. I didn't get it. Unfortunately, it's a slow rollout. If you want to get that Windows 24 H2 right now, then come with me. I'm going to show you the steps, how to get it, download it, then install it, and also show you some of the new features. Like when you right click on a file, the icon of copy, paste, cut, share now is written under it now, so you actually know what it means, or you don't confuse copy for cut. A whole lot of features. Join me as I go step by step, downloading it, installing it, and showing you the new features. If you're ready, let's dive in. Welcome back to Smart Depot. I'm so excited to have you back on this one. Open your browser on your laptop or PC and then, search for download Windows 11. You will see the top one there is download Windows 11 from Microsoft website. Click on that. And then there are options that you're going to select here about, assistant tool, media creator tool. You see all that, but you just go down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select the multi-edition ISO for x64 devices, choose your language, and then you confirm, and it will start downloading. If it doesn't download, you might wait and try again, but here is it. I've downloaded it. This is the ISO file. Multi-edition. Right click on it, go open with, select Windows Explorer, and it will open it up. All you need to do here is to double click this setup.exe, and you will now have Windows 11 running on a device. So you can put options now to not download updates. Of course, I was up to date before I started, so I'm not downloading updates. There are a few other things you have to do here, like agreeing. Does anybody still read this thing? But yeah, you have to accept to be able to update this. And also there are other options. This is Windows 11 Home, and you can choose to keep your personal files and apps, or to keep only files, or to just clear up everything, depending, but I'm going to take that first option. So now you're ready. Now click on it, and the Windows 11 installation update will start installing. If you're enjoying this video, this might be a good time for you to click on that subscribe button. Yes, click on it right now. Turn on the notification bell icon to get videos like this, because in about a week or 2 weeks, I will do the performance review of the Windows 24 H2, and you really want to see in-depth details of what it can do and some of the detailed new features that it carries. So back to the installation process. I want to show you something here because I didn't show you my Windows version. Go to your settings, run, and type in WinVer to be able to see your Windows version. So while this thing is installing, you can actually do one or two things on the system. So this is my Windows version 23H2 of Windows 11. That is where I am on while I'm installing the Windows 24H2 update. So this is to clear any doubt, and then I'm going to speed it up. It's going to reboot your system. For this case, it rebooted only once, and after that it will just come up. It did take a time, about 1 hour or thereabout, for me to go through all this process from the start to this point. And even at this point, it will still show you some things like getting your PC ready, do not turn off this thing on. This might take a few minutes. All this information will still come up on the screen after it has finished installing and rebooting your system for the first time you're opening it up. So almost there, and then after now, we should be able to go into the system. That was a nice animation there that came up with it. But so let's go in again and check our Windows version right now by going to run and typing in WinVer and opening it up. So you can see that right now we are on the Windows version 24H2, and it is the latest, and it's now available for every other person that is using Windows 11. Of course, there are one or two other things we'll do. I'm going to do Showkey Plus. If you haven't watched that video, go to the click on the cards now to watch that video. This is called just check whether my keys are okay, and then now I have a 4 upgrades on this system. It used to be 3 before, but it will keep record and the date of when some of these updates and stuff happen. So that video is good. Show key plus how to use it to pull out your keys, important. Of course, I had another update immediately, classic Windows update, and let me show you some of few things that I've changed here. If you go in now, there's some changes here in the control panel. There is live caption here now after you updated. I don't know whether I'm going to use that on system. When you right click on a file now, there are other clear options now where you have the cut, the copy. The name is now written under it, which is a good relief for me, because I mean it was confusing me before. If you right click and click on search now, so there's new rearrangement. You can see your nearby devices, you can see teams and other things you can do, very interesting. So what more is new here? If you go to the accounts, I think the account has also been rearranged. Here now you now have some option for 365, cloud storage and all that. And the next one that is interesting also is the password. Now you can show password by going to password, Wi-Fi, and click on show. You're going to see the password and the QR code. So if you're lazy to type it, just scan the QR code and you're going to drop it in. Of course, I'm going to make a full review about this and more details of some of the new features that has been released with the Windows 11 24H2. Make sure you subscribe to see that. So that's about that. A lot of people are saying that performance have increased. So we're going to test that out in the next 1 week or 2 and also do a video about it. So yeah, make sure you like, follow, subscribe to get that video. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.